It's Simply Nikki back with another video. How y'all doing today? Happy Wednesday. Y'all, we back in the car again because your girl is yet traveling again, okay? And y'all wanted to give y'all this video so y'all know what y'all voted for and y'all know what we here to do, okay? Alright. Y'all, I'm thirsty because I just got done eating. I had me a Subway wrap and I'm thirsty, okay? Cheers. Okay. Okay. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Y'all, we gonna get right into it, okay? I don't like this. Yeah. If you had it, y'all, let your girl know. But let me try it again. I don't know, y'all. I'm not getting that pineapple taste. I wanted that. Let me tell y'all what I wanted this to taste like. I wanted this to taste like a Fanta pineapple, but I guess, you know, it's not a Fanta pineapple, but y'all get what I'm saying, or like a Rock Creek pineapple. Like, that's what I wanted it to taste like. And it don't. And it's not even strong. Excuse me, but y'all know I burp from anything. But y'all don't be talking about me. I know I'm here with my scarf on. Why? Because your girl is doing her hair. So stay tuned for that. If y'all want a tutorial, let me know. And I'm going to show y'all a tutorial. Oh my gosh, y'all. Y'all, this is it. Comment down below and let you know. Comment down below and let your girl know if you want a tutorial on me doing my spring twist, okay? These are like spring bohemian twists. That's what they call it. It's the ultra hair. But y'all let me know if y'all want me to do a tutorial for that. But that is it for this video, y'all. And it's not that it's nasty, but I wanted it to taste like pineapple and it just don't. But I'll see y'all in the next video, okay? Bye.